Okay, so these metallic nails, these are cute, okay? But honey, it says 12 pieces. Where's the rest? Okay, because it's given 6. Ooh, these are nice too. Ooh, these are sharp. Ooh, I like these. These purple ones and the gold. Ooh, I like those. Those are nice. What is this? Oh, this is the ice pigment powder. Child, what made me come over here, do not pay attention to the cans. I know they're a little ashy, okay? 6 foldable eyebrow shapers. Child, 6 of these for $1.25. This is definitely a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, I would have purchased this, but I have 3 already that I just purchased not too long ago. But child, this is really good. See, this is the reason, and I tell you guys to come to different Dollar Trees because of reasons like this, okay? The fanny packs, all right? Have you seen these? These are $1.25, okay? I'm definitely gonna grab one of these. Really, really cute. They have this one, and then they also have the black and green. And not only is it a fanny pack, but honey, they have this little pocket right here. Now, what is this little pocket thing for? Let me know in the comment section. What's this for? Okay. Peace, family. Peace, 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 peace. Ooh, what a wonderful day it is. Okay, so I hope you guys are having such a glorious day. If not, do understand and get that your day, your life is going to get better once your perception gets better. Okay, listen, Linda. Okay, message today is this. Just because you don't know how to change your life doesn't mean that you can't change your life, okay? And as you can see, Linda, today we are at Dollar Tree in Clifton, New Jersey, okay? My son did a good deed. He let me borrow his car. So we gonna see what they have up in here, child. All right, family, so in here it is big. Ooh, what's going on with this car, child? All right, they got a lot of stuff in here. All right, honey, is a lot of stuff. Hold on. Okay, so I'm in here for a few items. I know I'll be saying that sometimes, but I'm serious, okay, child? Today I'm in here for a few items. I know I need to get some garbage bags, and a few other items, but it's big in here. It's huge. I wouldn't say it's bigger than the one to the Dollar Tree in Fairview, New Jersey. Maybe it is. I don't know. This one is big. From the outside, it looked like it's really small, but it's not. All right, let's see what all I'm in here for. Okay, so I know I need garbage bags. Could you believe it? I left my list at home. When I was driving, I said, oh, shoot, the list. Honey, the list is at home. Okay, as you can see, to me, it's big in here. Okay, this is pretty much the food aisle. I don't need nothing from out of here. Well, this aisle. Let's go to the beauty aisle, shall we? Let's see. Okay. Ooh, chill. Okay. Oh, they have the same thing. Wait, hold on. Oh, yeah, same exact thing. And this is the fun, right? Like me driving to different Dollar Trees because now I get to see about the makeup and stuff like that the different Dollar Tree has. But this is pretty much all the same over here. I don't see anything new. Oh, but they do have the glow up highlighter. Okay, this was a big deal. Okay, $1.25. Do I have one of these? I think I have one of these. Sparkling rose though. No, I don't think I have this one to be exact. Okay, let's just put that one right on in the cart, child. All right, let's see their nails. The nails is not nailing, okay? All right, and I told you guys about the glue. This glue is good. I like this glue from Dollar Tree. Honey, the hands. You know, I'm really supposed to be at the laundromat. Okay, I went to the laundromat. I said, oh, no. I'm going to have to go to the laundromat when all the Momo's sleeping. Okay, so this is pretty much like the shampoo and stuff, L. Is this still considered the beauty L? I see they have the instant root touch up. Okay, the blonde only, the black and brown, honey. They done hurried up and took that. But look at this. Okay, so they have the L'Oreal Paris Colorista. I think that's how you say it, honey. Don't give me the lying. Hair makeup for blondes and highlighted hair, 1 day color. Okay, Dollar Tree doing a thing for you and me. As you can see, I'm a little pumped up this morning, okay? Maybe it's the car. No, it's not the car, honey. You know my energy is just like this, okay? All right? Now, let's see what else they have before we skedaddle out of here. Because, you know, they have some items. Oh, gosh. Oh, I see that they have these little glass jars. Now I think these are cute. Okay, really really cute. They come in green, and then I'm gonna just let you guys look. Okay, so this is pretty much the colors that they come in. I absolutely like these little jars. These are really really cute. Ooh, these are cute. Okay, so before I was rudely interrupted, my son caught me. Okay, now remember I told you guys a while ago about the Buddhas, right? This is an incense holder. I have one at my home, the white one. I was looking for the black one, but at the Dollar Tree next to my house, they definitely ran out. Honey, here they have them. Okay, this is styling and profiling, really really good. Absolutely positively love these. $1.25. Alright, family, so you know Dollar Tree sells the 8-pocket shoe organizer, right? Now, this is really, really nice. Absolutely love this. So you can organize all them shoes you got, child. Okay, $1.25, and they come in 2 different colors. They have the gray, and then they also have the navy blue. This is really, really good. I wanted to see if they had laundry bags, but I see they have this mesh one. I really don't care for this, you know, for the mesh laundry bags, because I like the one that you can't see. All right, being all in my business. Now they also have the 7-fix compartment shoe storage box, okay, for $1.25. When I tell you Dollar Tree said, listen, you're gonna be organized one way or another, they ain't playing. Really really good. Dollar Tree, come on now. Come on now. Is it here for me? 3 pieces, okay? What's somebody gonna do with 3 pieces? All right. What is someone gonna do? Who gonna? What they gonna be able to do with this, Dollar Tree, but jump rope? All right, come on now. Now, I absolutely, oh, this is really cute. Butterflies, honey, hello. I absolutely love the 30-piece elastics, salon quality. These are so good. And for $1.25, honey, that's just a steal deal, like Holyfield. They also have these hair clips right here. You get 2 pieces, the smiley faces. I like to say emojis, for $1.25 as well. Oh, I don't care for these. That's not my cup of tea, honey. It's not my cup of tea. Okay, honey, so far we just got one thing. Right here. We got just one thing, child. Okay, so at this location, they still have some tumblers. This green, oh my goodness, is definitely calling my name like a chicken wing. You get what I'm saying? All right. And then they also have the red tumblers, $1.25. And then they have like these right here. Okay, these are so cool. These are $1.25 as well, but they only have 2 left, and they both are red. All right, family, have you seen these? These are the donut earbuds. Wow, okay. Listen, Linda. All right, these are so cool. $3. Really, really nice. Volume control, microphone, and this is the only color that they pretty much have. Let's see what else they have up in here. I think they moving their feet to the beat just a little. Now, Dollar Tree also have these metal thermometers over here, decor, for $5. Oh, child, you know what? They ain't playing. They are not playing. And if you a person that has like so many hoses, okay, like the water to your garden or whatever, or your lawn, honey, Dollar Tree has the plastic hose hangers. Okay, these are $3. Really, really good. Okay, so when it comes to Easter, honey, you try to tell this bunny she ain't styling and profiling. You try to tell her that. You try to tell this bunny that she's not out here in these streets moving her feet, because she is. You see the pros. You see the pros, okay? Honey, don't get her started. All right? Because she out here. Okay, so I definitely need a pack of these heavy duty pads. You get 4 for $1.25. It was some other stuff. Oh, I need those blue rags. I don't think that they have the blue rags here. The Brillo rags, honey. Oh, look at this. Looky. Corky. All right, $1.25. I absolutely love these. Washing dishes, cleaning the bathroom with these, because, honey, you can use them and toss them. All right, $1.25. All right, family. So remember, Dollar Tree sells these party essentials, 11-piece party serving kit. Okay, that's great for holidays, birthdays, fundraiser, company parties, family gatherings. And this is pretty much what the kit includes. All 11 pieces, 1 full size chafing rack, 1 full size foil pan, 2 half size foil pans, 2 heat infused, 1 serving tongue, 2 serving spoons, 2 serving forks. Okay, I remember this was one time $5. Okay, and then Dollar Tree said, no, let's make it 10. Let's make it 10. Okay, so this is the second Dollar Tree that I have been to that sold this. Okay, straightening hair brushes. All right, so these are $10. They also have the Pure Silk, let me see, curling rod. Okay, this is a mini, it says, and this is $10 as well. All right, they also have the tapered curling wand, which is $10 as well. Yeah, Dollar Tree definitely doing it for me. All right, and then they also have the flat iron, which is $5. Now, Dollar Tree also have the Brazilian Miss Non-Foaming Shave Gel. This is $1.25. Notes of pistachio, salted caramel. I know the spray and the wipes that has the notes in pistachio and salted caramel, honey, is delightful. Okay, delightful. Brazilian Miss Non-Foaming. All right, which one this is? Oh, this is the same thing. Okay, all of them is the same. Okay, so this is the post shave cream, and then this is the non-foaming shave cream. What's the difference? Post shave cream and then a non-foaming cream. Honey, okay, come on now. Come on, Dollar Tree. What's the difference? Okay, so Dollar Tree also have this lip gloss, this rainbow lip gloss, berry scented. This is $1.25. And then they also have this glitter lip gloss. All right, mixed berry scented, $1.25 as well. Family. Okay, family. We got our items, child. They had some decent stuff in here. You know, not a whole lot, a few items, but it was okay nonetheless. Okay, we finna be out all day. All right, only if my son knew. Okay, we finna be out all day. I'ma probably do about 2, 3, or 4 Dollar Trees, probably more than that. You know, depending on how's everything going. Okay? All right, so I'll see you guys at the next Dollar Tree. Make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. And in the meantime, in between time, the drop of a dime. Okay? Know that you can change your life. All right? And with that being said, I'll catch you good folks on the next one.